Happy Sunday, guys. So we're here at Hollywood Studios, and I'm sure you guys probably guessed by the title of the video why we're here. Well, more specifically, why Edwin's here, because I don't ride rock and roller, so you know, health stuff. But today's the last day you can ride it themed with Aerosmith. It is gonna remain the same track, but it's gonna be Muppets. So I mean, it's not totally sad, I guess. But yeah, we're just here to say goodbye to the Aerosmith theme, I guess. So Edwin's actually going to take you guys with him. I'm going to be doing other things, but Edwin's going to take you guys with him. He's going to try to get a rock and roller cast ticket that we have. It's like from when rock and roller first opened. He's going to try to get it signed today by the cast members as well. It's something we have displayed in our room. So yeah, let's go say goodbye to rock and roller.
All right, guys, like Priscilla said in the intro, I'm heading to Rock and Roller. The last day, like she said, themed Aerosmith. I'm not really sad because it's just a retheme. They're not changing the whole track, the whole ride itself. It's just basically like Tiana's and Magic Kingdom. I know people were sad because it was going away because of Splash Mountain, but at the end of the day, is exactly the same ride, just rethemed. Same thing as Tower of Terror in California. They have it rethemed for the Guardians of the Galaxy. So at the end of the day, you know, it's not a goodbye itself, you know. Yeah, it's sad because I'm gonna miss the track, the music, and the virtual queue inside, the queue line itself. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys one last time how it looks inside, and I'll post the link in the bottom of the actual ride that I'm going to record with the Ray-Ban Metas that we have. And yeah, let's see what are the wait times. When I get closer to there, I'm going to show you the wait times on the phone, see what we're working with. You can see right now on the app it says 115 minutes. So it's not that bad, to be honest. So let's go check it out. Here we go. The entrance for Rock and Roller. Hopefully they don't change this too much. Hopefully they leave the car as is, or maybe they're just gonna wrap it with a Muppets theme. We shall see. And yeah, let's see what the crowds look like on this side of the park. There you see the track, which is so cool. I think it was so cool that it makes the track part of the neck of the guitar. And here we go. Here's the line over here. You can see that it is, like it says, 115 minutes. So let's see how long does it really take. It's 3:38, and I'll let you know at what time I get on. As you can see, guys, it's a little hectic today. I think the actual line wraps up all the way over there by the villain show, that I see people walking from over there to the actual standby line over here. So I think it might take a while, but we shall see. That standby line actually goes.
You will find the villain show. Please stay on the right side of the white line.
So that's the villain show right there.
Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in.
And they're making us.
Continue straight back to the end of line side.
Yep. They're making us walk all the way back here. Oh, you get to see the back of Tower of Terror. So this is the line for Rock and Roller. I have never been back here, which is weird and cool at the same time. So let's see. There's the villains building for the show, and next door is the actual building for Rock and Roller. There you see the line all the way back here. which is different.
Oh, that's so cool. Oh, I have to open them already. Yeah, okay. That's so cool. I love that. How cool is that?
Oh my gosh, Jane, that was beautiful.
Wow, that's a good signal. That's not very good.
Thank you guys, I appreciate it.
Thank you, that's awesome.
Can I?
Yeah, no one left behind.
That's so cute. That's awesome.
Who the?
I think Steve Tyler.
Oh.
Should I wait? Like, do I need to Okay, you let me know. It's a I don't even know. I'm scared for my life.
Want all of us to sign this?
Yes,
Just anywhere on?
anywhere you want.
And just anywhere.
Anywhere you like, it's fine. Look at how them sign as well.
So cute.
This is awesome. Thank you, man.
Thank you guys.
Thank you, man. Rock that.
Who? Scott.
Yeah, yeah. Oh, perfect.
Hi. Oh, this is fun.
That's awesome.
Thank you. Love. That's so
Awesome.
Thank you.
Oh.
This is when they first opened here for the cast preview.
That's cool.
Is that awesome?
I've seen it in pictures only.
Oh, you have?
Yeah, that's
Awesome.
cool.
Well, now you signed one.
That's tough. Rico signed it? Ew.
A lot of people signed it.
You signed it? Hey, I'm the first one.
It was the first one.
Yeah. You signed it? You signed it?
I don't think she signed it.
Oh, that's like
Getting more signatures, even here at the front.
Would you be so
You could sign on the other side as well if you want.
I'm not leaving. It felt weird to do that. It felt weird to do that though, because I'm not like leaving.
Alright guys, this is what it looks like so far, all the signatures that I've gotten. Most of the cast members were excited, as you can see, the reactions on the video, which I think this is cool. Made it to the front. He has gone to 120 minutes.
Guys, the start of the line will be back. The start of the line will be
Alright guys, so we're inside the queue line. This is how it's gonna look. It's gonna look a bit different.
The half near the princess is more crowded than the full. Near
They already closed this part out. They're getting ready to retheme it with the Muppets inside. It still says there G-Force Records.
Listen, I'm gonna need a bigger car. Make it a stretch. In fact, make it a super stretch. Great. Okay, folks. Look, the show is all the way across town, but I got you a really fast car. Okay, wait. It's out.
Please make your arms up and drop the weight at this time.
Classic rock station.
That was fun. Yeah. Thanks for the bucket. That was good.
Best part is the takeoff.
Off Rock and Roller. Here's the quick merch that they still have here. Okay, so it looks like they took everything rock and roller themed already. This is regular stuff that you can find in any Disney store right now. Oh, all we have is these right here. These are the last ones that I have now.
See, it's not Aerosmith, it's Disney.
This is the back, which is so nice. Yeah, other than that, it's good. All right, let's try to get some more signatures, guys.
I know, right? His signature.
We're gonna let them sign it as well.
Oh wow. Whoa.
All right, guys.
That is awesome.
Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you. Thank you for being here.
All right, guys. So we're back home, and all in all, I think the trip was really good, especially for me that I got to ride rock and roller twice. And like I said before, I'm not really that sad because it's just a retheme of the ride, but I'm grateful that I got to ride it twice at least today, and I haven't done that in a while, so I'm really grateful that I was able to do that. So let me show you what the signatures look like at the end of the day. So I was able to get a few signatures from a few cast members. As you can tell from the video, a lot of them were really grateful and were shocked and asked me why I got this, and they were grateful that I was able to ask them for their signature. So here it is. So yeah, guys, like I said, it was a great day, and I want to give a special shout out and a special thank you to those cast members that took the time and signed this ticket for me. And if you're watching, please leave a comment down below and let me know if you're in the video. That's going to be a wrap for Rock and Roller. Let's see how long they'll take for the retheming for the Muppets. See you in the next vlog.